Let us learn how to evaluate this expression in the correct order. Now, we have here solution. We have 5 plus 3 in parentheses multiplied by 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 divided by 8. Here, some persons will simplify it this way. 5 plus 3, that gives 8, multiplied by 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 divided by 8. Then here, 8 times 2, 16, minus 4 to the power of 2 divided by 8. Then 16 minus 16 divided by 8. Then 16 minus 16, 0, then divided by 8 and equals 0. This is wrong approach. To solve this correctly, we are going to have this 5 plus 3 in parentheses multiplied by 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 divided by 8. Here, we are going to apply PEMDAS or BODMAS here. Here, the first step to consider is parentheses, but is bracket. In that case, we have 5 plus 3, that gives us 8. Then multiply by 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 divided by 8. The next step to be considered is exponent here, but we are going to simplify this. Then we have 8 multiplied by 2 minus 4 to the power of 2, that gives 16 divided by 8. Then the next order to be considered is multiplication. We have multiplication and division, and these two are in the same order. We move from left to the right. But if we first of all have multiplication here, then we are going to take out multiplication. 8 times 2, that gives us 16, minus 16 divided by 8. Then in this case, we are going to consider division. We are going to consider division before subtraction. We have here 16 minus 16 divided by 8, that gives us 2, and we pick out subtraction. When 16 minus 2, that gives us 14, and this is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.